So I decided to record my lesson plan that I created for assignment 2. Here are the objectives. Name and explain all of the stages in a frog's life cycle. Be able to identify the basic anatomy of the first fertilized egg and tadpole, and be able to identify the basic anatomy of the immature frog and adult frog. And then here is the info that is needed for those objectives, the standards that I consider important in my lesson plan: empowering learners, knowledgeable constructors, and global collaborators. And then the activities that I would plan to use for each of the technologies. The first one being the instructor using the smartboard to show videos and animation of the lesson, and students coming up to the smartboard to write what they think is most important about the lesson that they had learned and what they find most interesting and want to explore about the life cycle of frog. The second activity would be to go to the computer lab to show to students how to use research and to how to use the internet to research and to research the interesting topics that they decided they would want to explore in the topic of frogs. Um, and then the instructor would also explain and help them understand what credible sources are and why it's important to use them. And then the third activity, using the iPads, would be to use the application Project Noah. It's a social media platform where people all over the world upload photos of wildlife, plants, and even fungi. And the students use the application to document the wildlife that they can find in their local neighborhoods or near the school, wherever really. Um, if they do not know what exactly they had found, there's a button to help identify it. Users can comment on other users' uploads and follow each other. Project Noah is quite like Instagram for people who love nature. Teachers can even create scavenger hunts called missions for students to participate in. These are the requirements and resources and media sources of my lesson plan. Thank you.